Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for Caribbean style macaroni pie. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using some Anchor cheese or New Zealand cheddar cheese. Feel free to use any cheese of choice. We'll be using 1 cheese today, as well as some Elbows macaroni, evaporated milk, 2 eggs, some scallions, butter, some sweet peppers, grated garlic and onions. I have some seasoned salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and complete seasoning. So to a pot of boiling water, I added some salt. Then I went in with my Elbows macaroni. You want to boil until al dente and then drain, and I'll show you what to do next. So while your macaroni is boiling, you want to whisk up your eggs, and then you want to follow up with your evaporated milk. This will be the custard that we'll add to our macaroni, and it will give it that creamy texture as well as help to bind everything together. Now once your macaroni is done, you want to go in with your butter while it's hot. Allow that butter to melt, and then we'll follow up with a little bit of mustard. Now while I was adding this mustard, my camera fell off the tripod and I forgot to hit record while I was adding my aromatics and my seasoning. So I added those in, and then you want to add your cheese, give it a good stir. Now the cheese is a bit cold, and that will help to cool down the noodles. So when we add the milk and the eggs will not curdle, because you don't want to add eggs to hot macaroni. You want to let it cool down a bit. So the cheese will help to cool down the macaroni, and then we will come in with that custard mixture that we made. Now when I added that, I realized that I needed more milk, so I went in with a little bit more just regular whole milk. And yeah, I just mix everything well to combine. And that's it guys, quick, easy, and simple. I will leave all these ingredients that I use down in my description box for those that are interested in the recipe. Now once everything is very well combined, you want to transfer it to a baking dish. I did grease the dish first before adding this in. And the last thing you want to add is some extra cheese to top it off. Like I said, you want to place this into your oven, 375. I will not be covering it. You want to leave it uncovered and allow it to go for about 45 to 50 minutes. And that's it guys. So simple, but absolutely amazing. After about 45 minutes, this is how the macaroni pie is looking. It smells so delicious, but you want to allow this to cool down really well before slicing into it. You want it to be nice and firm and not a runny, soupy mess. So after about 30 minutes or so, I did cut into it, and it was absolutely amazing. My daughter was sitting at the table waiting for her slice. Yeah. So here you have it guys, my version of the most delicious but yet simple macaroni pie or macaroni and cheese. This was so amazing. It was not lacking in taste, flavor, richness, or any of that. You won't get that cheese pull like when you use a mozzarella cheese, because this isn't that kind of cheese, but it was so rich and flavorful. I can't wait for you guys to try it. My daughter, she could not wait on the full meal. She was just there sitting eating the macaroni pie by itself, and I served mine up with some beef short ribs and fried cabbage. Like I said, it was divine, and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.